Hi everyone and welcome to Automedics. This is Rust to Life. It's a restoration series from the automotive medical team, where we bring your beloved old vehicles back to life so you can drive like a pro. It's an honor to work on these classic cars, and our specialized team is here to transform history into the present. With highly skilled technicians and advanced machinery, we can even manufacture parts that are no longer available on the market. In this video, the vehicle has been fully dismantled for a thorough restoration. Right now we're doing manual sanding and cleaning before moving on to other repairs and the undercoat painting. Can you guess what vehicle this is? Stay tuned for our next video and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.